My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the ransomware, which is called decrypt. So decrypt is a special ransomware type infection that currently attacks many Windows computers. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data can be opened easily without troubles. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called decrypt may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them essentially. It is not possible to use the data. We recommend that you immediately remove this ransomware. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. So now you can see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware is called decrypt because it appends this decrypt extension to the file names. It also drops this ransom note mentioning that the files needs to be restored, but to restore them that the user needs to pay the ransom. We strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. Don't waste the money. We recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Go to this page, combocleaner.com, download the application through this official website, install the program, and then after it gets successfully installed, start Combo Cleaner Antivirus and then begin carefully researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then at the end of the scanning, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of threats. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on the system. I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future. So wait until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. You will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on the system. As I said, consider the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your files always protected in the future. The premium license of Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature helps to protect the files, but it does not decrypt files. The summary of threats will show you the information about threats, about their locations. So choose Premium as the best solution to keep your files always protected.